decision is your decision. The other person's decision, how they receive it, I don't receive everything well, and I do make mistakes. So I'll give you my mistake. So I'm talking to my uncle and I'm like, I don't like this person, I don't like that person, I don't like this person. He's like, Tam, like, that's not how business works. I was like, well, I don't care, I only want like positivity and stuff. And then I was like, yeah, you know what? This sounds ridiculous. Because who am I to say I like or dislike somebody? Who am I? The same things that I'm complaining about the other person, like how dare they do this and why do they want me to do this, I'm now doing it. That was a wake-up call. So even the preparation for my workshop, I was like, yeah, you're right. Who cares? So what I did was I sent out an email to somebody who I'm not particularly fond of. You know why? Because when I said I need to be out on that street, okay, because it's really heavy with these stupid tables, and I have Flame and myself. I have great ideas because it's for you, and your ideas are great because we always come from a position of positivity. Wherever you are is where you're supposed to be. I use that as a reminder even for myself because I'm not liking where I am sometimes. I'm like, oh. But I don't know, I go back and forth with this whole adage of, everything is meant for a purpose. Is it really? I don't know. But where you are is your jumping off point. So whether or not it was a purpose, I don't know, but it is aligning somehow, maybe with your story and somebody else's story, but where you are is a good position. Good, bad, or indifferent. If you're in the hole, you want to dig yourself up. If you're on the mountain, you want to move forward. So that's all about it today. Not tomorrow, but today. Sometimes the real impact in the world is just going forward in a space where you are feeling you're most comfortable. Because when you feel comfortable and settled, it reflects in everybody around you. So the impact, your world are the people that you're interacting with. Your world are the people that you can, as part of the beauty. So part of my workshop is that I do strategy, but I do like to do the practical elements for people, right? And so January was my first time getting a donation from Value Village. I was very happy because I went into Valley Village. So somebody had said to me, you should go to Valley Village. Okay, I go in there and I was like, are you people mad? I go,